Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum and welcome to Mr. TECHFOX. Today, I'll show you how to rank up your FC mobile players faster and at the lowest cost possible. If this tutorial helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel. Let's get started. First of all, we have to navigate to the market. So we are gonna open the market and then we have to click on this search to begin filtering players. And after then, we have to adjust the filters to find the cheapest players. And first of all, under position, click on this pencil icon. And here, select defensive players like LWB, LB, CV, RB, RWB, or GK. So I'm selecting here LB and clicking on save. And after then, we have to give here minimum and maximum of here. So I'm giving here 68 and here also 68 and normally click on search. Now you will see a list of cheapest players. Now go through each player card and click on purchase. So I'm clicking on purchase here and here you can check if it's available to buy or not. If the player is available, add them to your watch list. So I'm gonna keep it to my watch list, selecting watch player. And now keep purchasing as many of these players as you can, focusing on the cheapest ones. So here I'm choosing it and purchasing 6 of them. Click on confirm and just wait a few minutes. We already purchased 2 players here. Claim the players and then go to home. Now normally click on your club icon and from here select players and after then find the player that you have purchased. So normally we have purchased these players, Ahmed. So normally click on the card and select rank up and choose another player of it. Click on rank up. You have to remember, merge each player card only once to turn them green. This method increases EXP more efficiently than other merging techniques. So you have to follow this step every single time when you have enough players. And after merging, use these green cards to upgrade your main players step by step. It's a straightforward process. And if I show you, normally click on the player and select training. And then find that player of green card. Select that. And here you can see that it is 360 XP. On the other hand, others are 120 XP. It's far difference, right? So I am choosing this safest and easiest option here and normally click on train and follow the same method as fast as you can and it will save you time and coins also. I think this tutorial will help you a lot. If this helps, please consider subscribing this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.